Big update. ServiceNow has entered a defining moment in enterprise security. They have officially signed a definitive agreement to acquire Veza. And this move changes everything. If you haven't heard of Veza yet, let me break it down to you in plain English. Veza is the leader in what the industry calls identity visibility. Most traditional security tools only check whether a user has a login. Veza goes 10 steps deeper. They build a patented access graph that acts like a real-time map of your entire enterprise, showing exactly who, a human, a machine, or AI, can access what specific data. This is like the difference between checking whether you have a key to the building and checking which exact drawers, folders, and databases the key actually opens. Imagine an AI agent with a valid login to your cloud database. Traditional tools stop there. Veza continues and verifies whether that agent can specifically read something sensitive like unencrypted credit card numbers. Now, here's the part most people are missing. You might think this is just another compliance story, but the real story is AI safety. Every time you deploy AI agents, you create thousands of new non-human identities. They have permissions, they have credentials, they have access. And you cannot govern them with old tools designed for human logins. Veza was built exactly for this problem. By bringing Veza into the Now platform, ServiceNow is giving enterprises something we have needed for years. A single unified control plane that shows precisely where your data is exposed and ensures your AI agents never have more access than they actually need. This shifts you from guessing about risk to knowing where the risk lives. This is the kind of visibility that will define enterprise security in the age of AI. If your organization is scaling AI and you want to make sure invisible risks don't derail your progress, Syntexa has experts in ServiceNow GRC and security operations who can help you build the right foundation. Scan the QR code or click the link in the description. Let's build AI responsibly with security that actually keeps up. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.